Technology issues in the Learning Suite are probably the biggest concern that anyone has because the technologies that we're using are off the shelf. We're looking at using essentially PHP and MySQL databases, although we'll probably migrate to Oracle simply because that's kind of the university standard. And because the product that we're building, the BYU Learning Suite, is a university-supported product, as we build that and hand it over to the university IT folks to operate, they're saying, our supported platform is Oracle, so we'll have to migrate that over time over to Oracle. But right now, we're doing simple things, PHP programming, MySQL, and just really kind of straightforward web pages that we build little dialog boxes, we get inputs, and we store it somewhere. So it's not a very complicated system. The key to it really is the decision that the university IT folks made several years ago to, in the past, university database systems were locked up very tightly, and they have to be, because it's our paycheck information, it's all the FERPA data that needs to be protected for students, all that kind of privacy stuff. But the university made a decision that they weren't going to be the only ones that would build the applications that would then, get access to the data. They decided to build a web service interface so that folks like us could write a simple application that goes through the web service and securely gets the data. And that's how we're able to build the Learning Suite. So we're able to access the university gradebook, the university academic information systems, the personnel files, so that we can know, who's on campus and who's not, who's authorized to use the system. The library, the bookstore, all those things are enabled by a simple thing that we call web services, and it's just an abstraction layer that separates the data from the program here. It's also a really great thing because it allows us down the road. Right now we're using a third-party gradebook. In a year or so we will have our own gradebook written, and because of this application interface layer that separates us from the actual data, we'll be able to swap out that back-end gradebook, and the interface for the students and faculty unchanged, except you'll see new features, because it's our gradebook and we have other stuff. So that's kind of the technologies that we're using, and it's really enabled by some, very forward-thinking decisions on the part of the university IT folks who, came to the conclusion that, maybe we're not the best folks to write applications. We're really good, though, at data and management and deployment of things. So you build the systems, turn them over to us, and we'll run them for you. So that's kind of where we are right now.